In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage who can open and who can edit the files and the folders for your document management system on your community association's website. So most of this is managed in the document management system, which requires a login, and only admins will be able to do this at the start, but of course you can grant those privileges to other people, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing to do is to go into your document management system, click on this document button here. And what you're going to see is you're going to see these colored circles, and if you hover over, it's going to say folder permissions. So right now I'm on this testing 1, 2, 3 folder, and if I hover, I can see the permissions for every one of the roles within my community. By default, and really not can't be changed, the site owners will always be able to edit everything in your document management system. That cannot be changed. Board members by default and also managers by default will also be granted this privilege. Okay, and this is also going to show you the roles for all the other roles on your community's website. So the homeowners, I have renters, I have the finance committee, and I have residents. So it looks like the finance committee can see this folder, but renters, homeowners, and residents, they cannot see this testing 1, 2, 3 folder. Okay, so now if I want to manage that, all I do is I click on it. And then this will give me, say, the folder testing 1, 2, 3, who can open this folder. So let's say, I actually want to make homeowners be able to see this folder, but I don't want anybody else to edit it, so click Save. And now if I look down here, homeowners can now open this folder. Now I can do the same thing with a specific file. So same thing over here. If I hover over here, I'll look at this one just a second. Every one of the roles is listed. Of course, site owners, managers, and board members can edit the file. Only homeowners can open this file. So even though finance committee can see this folder, they can't see this file. So, and over in the far left, this icon will only show up for files, and it says that this file is it's visible on our public website. So if I click on that, that means this is selected yes. That means that it's just being displayed on the public website over here. So if I scroll down here, that file, I believe it was this file that we were looking at, is being displayed on the public website. Another way to display a file on your public website is to click on this plus button in the lower right-hand corner. Find a file that I want to be displayed, click on it, and now it's displayed. Let's say I don't want to display my CCNRs though, so I undo that. So let's go back to our document management system. Now let me also show you how to manage the privileges for each of the roles in your community. So what you're going to want to do is go in the top right hand corner over your avatar and click on your avatar, and then click on Account and Settings. Then you're going to want to go to Settings, User Roles. Now what this is going to do, this allows you to manage the privileges, the blanket privileges for each of the roles in your community. So as I mentioned, site owner cannot be changed, but every other role in your community can be changed. So if I were to come to homeowners and say, well, homeowners can upload and edit every single document in your community, which I wouldn't recommend doing, but let's say that you did that. Well, then if I come back over to document management system, then they would I could not edit the privileges for specific files and folders because this has been enabled. Let's unenable that. As with anything else, if you have any questions about this, you can always contact us at hello@gogladly.com. Thanks.